Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you for coming. Today is going to be the Birchbox unboxing. Super excited. I love Birchbox. For you guys that don't know, it is a $10 subscription every month, and it comes right out of your checking account. And it is 5 items, and they are sample size items. So, and it's just a good way to get like stuff you haven't used before, or sometimes there's name brand stuff in here. For $10, it's not that bad. It's not as good as Ipsy, but it's not that bad. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box for this month. Alright, these things are a pain in the butt to get off. Alright, so that is what it looks like when you open it. That's so cute. So appropriate for Valentine's Day. All the boxes are, you know, got hearts and kissy lips and all that. There's the card. Alright, so what does the card say? Oh, this is like, just shout outs to people. Like this one says, congrats on your 100th box. You're the best. To Beth in Philadelphia. We're spreading love this month and every month. Thank you for making Birchbox what it is today. So there's the card. On the back is the products, a description of it, and tells you the retail value. All right, so this is the box. So let's get into it. I'm going to pull the big thing out first. And this is the first time I've ever received a perfume in this box. So that's kind of different. But okay, so it is Oscar de la Renta. Full size of this is $75. Great for all occasions. This balanced, elegant fragrance has bright floral notes like freesia that are warmed up by sandalwood. That sounds nice. Oh, it's a little spray bottle too. Oh, that's actually really nice. I like that. That's, like I said, that's the first time I've ever received a perfume. That's what the bottle looks like. That's really pretty. But okay, I'll take it. I'll use it. That smells really good. I like the florally smelling stuff. All right, so I'm going to pull out, oh, I'm excited about this. This is the Way leave-in conditioner. I've seen some people get this in boxes before. I've not used it, but I'm excited to use it. So full size is $26. This mist does it all. It smooths, softens, protects, and detangles strands for all-day moisture. Spray on damp hair before brushing and heat styling. Let's see what it smells like. I know it said damp hair, but all right, let's spray it right in the eye. Okay. It doesn't have a smell. But I will be using this. I love using leave-in conditioners. So, and that's not a bad size of it. It is 0.84 fluid ounces. Again, the Way leave-in conditioner. That's a good product. All right, so the next item I am pulling out. Oh, this is Sunday Riley. For you guys that don't know about Sunday Riley, it is a very high-end facial, or yeah, skincare product. So this is Sunday Riley Autocorrect Brightening and Depuffing Eye Contour Cream. The full size of this is $65. And it says, give tired eyes a lifted effect with this cream that does it all. Caffeine depuffs, horse chestnut smooths fine lines, and antioxidant-rich lutein provides luminescence. Okay, this is my first Sunday Riley product. I've never had one because it's too expensive to get. So, let's see. It doesn't feel like there's a whole lot in here, though. Like, I'm squeezing it and nothing has come out yet. So, there's, like, nothing in here. Alright, so it's like a pinkish tone. Oh, it's very soft. Shh. The dog's barking in the background. Very soft. I like it. Doesn't really have a smell. It doesn't show up. It says it's brightening, but I guess you'd have to do that under your eyes. All right, so moving on. All right, so the next item I'm pulling out, and I don't know how to say this. It is Gerara. I don't know. I'm not good at pronouncing things anyway. Full size of this is $35. It is a candle nut body cream. It's velvety candle nut oil formula inspired by Balinese recipes. Penetrates deep into dry, rough skin for instant, non-greasy softness that lasts and lasts. $35 for a body cream is quite expensive. It is sealed. I don't think I would pay $35 for a body cream, but nice and thick. Stop, Reva. So if you hear the dog in the background, my dog's barking. All right, very thick. Very, very, very thick. Rubs in. Oh, it has a smell to it too. It's I know I'm not really good at explaining smells. Does it say? It definitely has a smell to it. It's vegan, free of parabens. It's cruelty free. I don't know. I can't describe it. It's not like florally. More earthy. But it's $35 for a full size. I'm not paying that. But I'll use this up. Alright, so the last item in the box, and I am very familiar with this brand, is Laura Geller. And it is Nude Kisses Lip Hugging Lip Gloss Bikini Bottom. Full size is $21. Alright, this hydrating lip gloss imparts sheer to medium coverage of creamy plum that feels cushiony and never tacky. Its high shine finish creates the appearance of fuller lips too. So I got the shade, Bikini Bottom. Alright, so let's see what it looks like. Alright. Oh, that's pretty. That's really nice. That's my color, for sure. Well, it is called Nude Kisses. So let's see what it looks like. I'm not really a lip gloss person. I like a lot of mattes. And I do like the metallics. So, kind of thick. It doesn't smell good. It smells really weird. I don't know what that is. But I don't like the smell of it. But the look of it's nice. I like that. I will use this. And that's a full size. So that's really good. Normally you don't get full sizes in Birchbox. So on a recap, we alright, so we got the perfume, which is really cool. Never ever got perfume before. We've got the body cream. We got the Sunday Riley, which doesn't have a whole lot in there. It says it's 0.1 fluid ounce in here. So yeah. We've got the Way leave-in conditioner and the Laura Geller lip gloss. So I have no complaints about this box. Birchbox might be stepping up their game. Like, I think this might be better than my Ipsy this month because, I don't know. It's hard. They both were really good this month. Even my BoxyCharm was really good this month. So, but anyway, guys, I want to say thank you for coming. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to leave me a comment. And have a fantastic day, guys. See you later. Bye.